Oh my god, it looks like there's just ants everywhere. Oh no, it's cracking from all sides. Oh no, it broke. Hey, how's everybody going? It's Virginia again, Virginia from Humid with a chance of Fishballs. I don't know if you can hear me above the music, but we'll try. Today is January 10th, 2020. In Hong Kong, our major holiday is actually Chinese New Year's, and it's going to be January 25th this year. And so I decided that we will go ham and we're gonna try to do everything that's Chinese New Year's related. Quick story about me: when my parents immigrated to Canada, they kind of abandoned all the Chinese holidays like Winter Solstice, Mid-Autumn Festival, Chinese New Year's. But we didn't adopt any new ones like Thanksgiving, Christmas. So in our family, it's not really much of a holiday spirit. So I thought, since people love seeing Christmas vlogs, or at least I do, I would try to do something more Chinese New Year's-ish. The color for Chinese New Year's is red. So to start everything off, I'm wearing a red t-shirt. Hong Yuan is basically glutinous rice dumplings. Inside is black sesame, and we eat it during Chinese New Year's because it sounds similar to reunion of the family, which is Yuan. So it's good luck if you eat it. All should be fine, right? Sounds easy, right? Easy peasy. Oh no. I can see this failing very badly. Alright, let's do it. Okay, we're back home. Actually, that's a lie. This is someone else's house because my house is too messy. So we're at my auntie's house, which is very clean. Alright, these are the things that I think we will need as per recipe. Glutinous rice flour, butter, rock sugar, black sesame. So the general gist. Oh, and we're gonna be using my friend's recipe, which is sweetrehab.ca, and then that's gonna be in English. We'll link it down below. General gist is black sesame seeds. You toast it, you make it into a powder form, which we don't have a food processor, so we're gonna use a wine bottle and some Ziploc bags. This is so DIY. And then what happens? And then the powder becomes more pliable when you add some sort of fat. In Hong Kong, they use lard. We're gonna be using butter because that's healthier than lard. That's gonna be the filling. And then for the skin, it's gonna be glutinous rice flour with water. And then when we're making the dessert, it's gonna be in a ginger broth. So we have the ginger and the rock sugar, which is the sugar that we use for desserts in Hong Kong. All right, easy, right? Hopefully. Let's begin in the kitchen. Okay. So some grannies swear by black sesame. If you eat a teaspoon every single day, apparently you'll never have you'll never have white hair. I don't know where I think there's some truth to it, but I don't really know for sure. Black sesame seeds going in. We were supposed to wash it! Okay, we're gonna start over. Take two. We were supposed to wash it twice. We've made a big mess. We've lost some sesame seeds on the way. Actually, we probably lost most of the sesame seeds on the way. Oh my god, it looks like there's just ants everywhere. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, I guess. It smells pretty good now. Toast, my little babies, toast. You're toast. Someone told me it was easy. Okay, we're done. Initially, we wanted this to be educational. I think it's more of a comedic video today. That's the rock sugar. It has to be like into a powder almost, and we couldn't do it with the wine bottle or with the rolling pin, so now we're using a knife. We mix it with the butter so it becomes a paste. Is it supposed to come together? I don't know if it's gonna come together. Okay, it's supposed to come together. There's no way it's gonna come together. It's like a sand, a very gritty sand. I think what we might do is we think that maybe it wasn't fine enough as a powder. I don't know. What we're gonna do is I think we're gonna just go ahead and refrigerate it for the half an hour, and then hopefully it becomes easier to work with. I don't know. All right, it's been half an hour. I'm really hungry now. It's 6:40. It's time for dinner and not dessert, but as we were waiting, this is what it looks like right out of the fridge. It's not what it's supposed to look like, but we're just gonna do it anyways. And while we were waiting, the dough, I've just made them into 20 different balls. And so now we're gonna put them together. Yay! Okay. We usually just buy the frozen kind. The only problem is if the filling doesn't stick together, it's really hard to get it into my frickin' dumpling wrapper. And then it looks so yucky. We should go to the Tang. We should go to the dessert place and ask them how they do it. Oh no. I can see this failing very badly. Oh no, it's cracking from all sides. Oh no, all my sesame is out on the outside. Mine looks like a new planet, an Oreo planet, a cookies and Oreo planet. I think we should put more butter. I don't know what to do.
I think we should stop.
Okay, let's just cook like 3. Yeah. Alright, this is the finished product. Which ones are the edible ones?
These 6.
6. We're gonna boil them and see what's wrong with them. When they float, it's a good sign that it's almost done.
A few moments later.
How is it? Whoa! There's a lot of fat that's coming out of it. So?
Actually, it's not too bad.
Actually, it's not too bad is what she said. We just have to figure out why the filling doesn't stick. Actually, it's not too bad. It just looks terrible. That's all.
Day 2.
It's day 2. We're gonna try this again. Today, I have beer and Auntie's home. So Auntie's gonna take us through this. Okay, let's go. And we have actually invested in some things. One, we went to the wet market and we got a mortar and pestle. So we consulted a couple of people. If you saw my Instagram stories, 1, the dough cracked, wasn't enough liquid or wasn't enough water, and 2, the sesame filling didn't stick together. Once again, there wasn't enough liquid. We did also invest in a sieve, and it's just finer. So when we wash it, we're not gonna have this whole fiasco of everything going into the sink. Yes. Oh god, so much easier, look. Nothing falls through. Should have done this first. My auntie's watching TV and she's very
Concerned.
eagerly anticipating this and also concerned what we're doing to her kitchen. And we toast for 8 minutes. What? Oh, I see. So, what did you guys do today? Oh look, I'm purposely wearing a red shirt. I'm gonna try to wear a very bright and colorful shirt every time we film a video for Chinese New Year's. So, what else can I chat to you about? How about the other videos we'll be planning to do for Chinese New Year's? We have one about lucky envelopes. And then we have one about making lanterns with lucky envelopes. And then we have one about cleaning the house. And we have one about the do's and don'ts and of giving out lucky money. And then we have the do's and don'ts for Chinese New Year's. There's certain things that you can't do. There's certain things that you can't do, and there's certain things that you have to do during Chinese New Year's, before and after. So I wanted to make a video about that. Guys, this is so much easier. Look, that was just like 5 seconds and it's already so much better than what we did yesterday. I've got a good feeling about today. Yes. Okay, back to toasting my seeds. Oh my god. It's like as fine as crack. Okay. The toasted sesame seeds are going in.
It's around 25 milliliters.
Oh, it smells so good. Hey! They're talking about me. Oh my god, I'm breaking out of sweat. This is the VIP. This is the lifesaver. And basically it's really fine now, like sand. So I think we're done. Look! And our sugar, we don't have enough sugar, so we're just gonna put in some granulated sugar. Do you remember what it looked like yesterday? This is what it's supposed to look like. This is the money shot. Look at that. It melted. Warm. Oh, it's definitely, it's definitely not warm. We're supposed to leave it to set for half an hour or something.
In the fridge.
Okay, it's a completely different texture to yesterday. Look, it sticks. Look, it sticks like a ball. Okay, so the filling has to be in the fridge for 30 minutes. As we're waiting, we're gonna quickly make the dough. There's not much to it. Last time it was too dry, and then I saw this other YouTube video where basically you can tell when it's done if you can stretch it, and then it becomes really long. Okay, no. No, we can't screw this up. We're gonna rectify the situation right away. Okay. We're back in business. We're back in business. I feel like it's like flubber.
Me.
I have a joke. Why is Superman's shirt so tight? Because he wears a small. Ha 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 ha.
Yeah,
So the video that we watched, remember, in order to tell if it's done or not, or if it's good enough consistency, you're supposed to be able to stretch it like that. Actually, hers was nicer than mine. How come? Here's my baby's butt. Leave it there to rest. This is our dough. Last time it was too dry. I think this time might be too liquidy. We're gonna divide this into 20. I'm just gonna use a knife. And then with the sesame one, I'm also gonna make it into 20 even pieces. I did not blend the butter. Oopsies. Okay, so I've never done this before, but I'm gonna teach you how to do it, or what I've seen people do. So you take the dough, and then you put your finger into it, and then you're supposed to have a little cup. So like this, you're supposed to hold it and just like pinch it upwards until it closes, and then you roll it. But I still get it all black. Ugh. How do you not get it black? Okay, mine looks ugly. We did it, it's done. We're waiting for the water to boil now. Let me show you what it looks like. Alright, I'm gonna say that they're not completely white like how people do it, but this is the best we could get it. But still, I think this was a success given how much of a disaster it was yesterday. So we're gonna cook some, and then we're gonna see how it tastes.
A few moments later.
3 out of the 4 burst open. Alright. Let's try it. The filling's good. The filling's really good. The skin is
not too bad.
It's not. It looks bad, but it's not that bad. Auntie. My Thai target. It's actually not that bad. the taste is really good. Yeah, just the dough is, and the appearances. But I think if we froze it and then we ate it on that night with the ginger soup,
Yeah.
Alright, so that was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. There's more videos to come for our Chinese New Year series. So if you liked it, please do subscribe and like and comment. Yay! See you next time. Dragon!